Fis-sala tal-wasliet fl-Ajruport Internazzjonali ta' Malta, raba ta' persuni li sal-aħħar sigħat kienu għadhom mill-Libja dehru fuq ix-xwiek jistennewhom jaslu Lura. Dawn waslu fuq titjira tal-Libja Airlines, titjira li bħal ħafna titjiri oħra mill-Libja riċentament kienet tard. Minflok fl-10 l-ajruplan niżel Malta għal ħabta ta' nofs il-lejl.
Ġlied bissu. Tam jagħmlu sew li ġejjin law. Saċ ħdew ma kienx hemm ġlied, però kienu dejjem jisimgħu l-isparar, però fil-bot. Jiena ġejja l-mara ta' raġel tiegħi.
I'm waiting for my grandma and I hope that she comes here safe and I hope that the situation gets better because, you know, everyone like me has a family that they're waiting for and, you know, it's sad to see the situation like this. Every day it's getting worse and worse and we don't even know what's going on and why, you know. So I hope that it gets better.
Intant nies li waslu mill-Libja jiddeskrivu s-sitwazzjoni bħala waħda ħażina, tant li kien hemm min qal li hija qar minn żmien ir-rivoluzzjoni tal-2011.
It's war there. As a matter of fact, I work in France. I finished my vacation there and I'm back to work. And Malta was my only way to get back. It is worse than ever there. It's maybe even worse than during the revolution.
Our situation, it's really bad, you know. So we don't know what's going on in the future. So we don't know what's coming up. We really need help from outside.
Not bad, not good. It's you know, a little bit fighting near the airport. The situation for the petrol, for the gas, I mean the fuel, electrics. That's the problem for the normal people.